great clap for her. She has a little star of her school and she has been nominated as a monitor of her school, Sanya. The next is Hadia from grade 10. Hadia, come on the stage and see yourself. A little Chinese student of the grade 10. A great clap from Hadia. Now it's time to move our primary section. Habibullah from grade 4. A great clap for Habibullah. A second name which has been come from our list by their nominated by the grade 1 teacher is Aisha Bibi. But unfortunately, she has missed herself at home. So don't take over any side because he has forgot their side. From grade 2, the name was come by our list dash Kaina. From grade 2, she has been monitor of the class. From grade 3, Azizullah has been nominated. Now the name comes from grade 6 in our list is Fizza. From grade 6, the name of Fizza was nominated. From the higher section and middle section. So shall we start our oath? Yes, students, are you ready for taking an oath? Yes. From prefect and girls. Why you are looking too dull? You have to more energetic and more energetically take an oath because it's a great responsibility of us. So put your right hand. Put your right hand and repeat the word after me. In the name of Allah. Head boy and head girl, just take the flag of our school and our country. Now, put the right hand. Javeria, just take your flag in front of you. Shall you ready? So repeat the word after me. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. With this honor, I commit myself to our school. Yes, student, you are too lazy. Your voice is too dull and your action is too energetically. So be energetically. It's an oath. You are taking an oath from to Allah. So be energetic and be powerful of your voice. So repeat the words after me. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and most gracious. We are here to commit ourselves from the God. I never disobey laws and principles of our school. I always respect the rules and principles of my school. I always respect the rules and principles of my school. Some of the prefects are too dull. Please repeat it loudly because it is oath taking ceremony. It's a very important step of our ceremony. So be loud and be energetically that most of the students get motivated by yourself. So repeat after me. I commit from Allah. I never disobeying laws and principles of our school. I always respect the laws and principles of our school. I always respect our teachers, our staff, our management staff, our principal. It's authority of our school. If any of us the rules and principles of our school, this authority goes to our staff, management staff, to disnominate the name of our name in the list of prefect and head girl. I always Be excellent in our academics.
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 This responsibility
This responsibility
would not stop
not stop
the progress of academics in our class. I always help
I always help
the student, teachers, and staff. I never disobey the rules of the school. I respect our juniors. Let's appreciate these student biographies. Perform their duties in a very well manner. It's request to all of the students that kindly respect the prefect and monitor of your school.
To us is respect for rights. We value a student's right and maintain the discipline and dignity of every student. We shall, the third one is we shall always only engage our in activities that value others, moral rights, and act to protect the dignity and rights of our fellows. To everyone, it is with great privilege and delight that I stand here to welcome our new prefect. It is always a boosting and inspiring day and experience to attend an oath-taking of new prefects. As I start my speech, I would like to share one of my most favorite quote by Ilana Hunt that says, "It is only when you take responsibility that you discover how powerful you truly are." Now that we are prefects, countless expectations and responsibilities comes to us every day. Each has been needed to be solved immediately. And we have obtained the power to help the students manage and overcome their issues, listen and understand them, and make better strategies for them. We assist people to live more joyful and productive lives. As a prefect, we are expected to observe and follow basic rules and principles of our school. The first responsibility come to us is continuing our education. We should achieve a high standard of
King of the King, who is the Lord of the Lord, my dear fellows and teachers, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Razin. I am from class 8. I feel honored from class 8. I feel honored to take about the role of prefects. The position of a prefect is a prestigious one in our school. In our school, it is not just a title but a responsibility. A prefect is present discipline, leadership, and trust. I am selected, and my vision is to create positive and respectful environment. I will work hard and to ensure that everyone feels supported and valued. My responsibility to maintain discipline, assisting teachers, and helping my fellow students. Full quotation. The one who falls and gets up is stronger than the one who never tried. Thank you.